Hey guys, like I said in my previous video, I'm going to be making use of VS Code to write our coding. That's the ID I'm going to be using. You could use any other one if you want to, but I will strictly advise you to use VS Code so you can understand better and not to get confused later on. So the first off thing, I'm going to make use of Chrome to run our code. That's a browser. So I expect you to have Chrome or any other browser on your system, but I advise you to use Chrome or Brave. So, but currently I'm going to make use of Chrome. So first off, you need to open your Chrome and then type in VS Code. So then you're going to see this link over here. So you can just click on it to download, to take to the download page. And here you're going to choose according to your specification. I'm currently on Windows operating system, so I'm going to be using Windows. So I'm going to click on the download button. I'm going to cancel this download actually because I have it already. So once you're done with that, you can just go to the directory where you actually you're going to go to the directory where you actually downloaded the setup file into, and then right click on it and then press open. So I assume you read this, but I'm not going to do that in this tutorial. So accept the agreement, then next, next, next. I don't want the desktop icon. You could actually do that if you want it. So I'm going to just click next. I'm ignoring that. Okay. So this is what you're going to say once it has installed finish, but you can choose to launch it or not. But in this video, yeah, we're going to do that. So launch. Okay. So as I know it's taking long to load. So this is what you're meant to see first. And here we're going to download some extensions. Extensions makes our work a little bit, well, I say easier, because it is actually essential to make it work out. So I'll be making use of I don't think mine is not working actually. I don't know why. I don't know why it's not working. But I've installed some extensions before. So in this video, all you're going to do is just type in I'm going to use live server. So just ignore my error. Just ignore it. So this is what you put first. So once you've done this, I think it's going to show up in your own laptop. I've not been able to figure out what's wrong with this. So then you're going to click the install button, and that's all about installing live server. So live server actually makes you able to run your VS Code. It's going to connect it with the browser. So it's going to this way you're going to see it. You're going to see click to run live server. So the second one I'm going to need also in this tutorial is going to be prettier. I don't have that, so I'm going to show you out. I'm going to do that also. So prettier, and I think that's all for now. So if you actually getting this error like I am, then what are you going to use? We're going to use V6. So go back to your Chrome and just type in V6 and extension. So what I need is prettier. So if you don't have live server before, you can just go ahead and download live server instead of prettier first, or you could do that after downloading prettier. So I'm going to take this off. Sorry. And then I'm going to download the V6 file from V6 Hub. That's what I use. And close this here up. So I think it has been downloaded already. So what I'm going to do now is just go back to my Visual Studio Code, and then these three buttons you see up here, what I call it button, and just then install from V6. Okay. So you have to do is to go to the particular directory where you downloaded it, and then click on it and then install. So I'm going to take this off back. So can you see completed installing prettier code formatter extension? And yeah, I remember I didn't tell you what prettier is for. Prettier enable you to actually format your code like it's if it's format code, as you can see here, code formatter extension for v6, blah blah blah. Okay. So it said reload Visual Studio Code to enable it. So I'm going to do that now. So that's it about installation of Visual Studio Code and its extensions that you need. Okay. So in the next video, we'll be talking about HTML basics.